What a day. Just working boring. I need to get a raise. I need to work a lot for that. I worked a lot. Time to get a raise. Manager, can I get a raise? Sorry, but we are near bankrupt. And we can't give away raises until we are far away from bankruptcy. And we still have to pay a lot to save our company. So yeah. Man, how? Does this mean I worked for nothing? Bruh. Sorry, but we're damaging and we need to pay. Who is gonna work here if it's bankrupt? And the working helped a little. And let us have some time to recover it. Since I can't get a raise, I have an idea. I'll make an animate and then publish it into YouTube. Time to start. I need to plan on which characters I make and plan how the animating would go and make it just voiceless brew. I'll just get the music. Time to publish it into YouTube.
After Melon published, and 1 day later.
Guys, I got the 1 million subscriber
Looks cool,
play
man.
What a
button.
goat.
I will love your animation.
Thanks, Lemon.
Everybody, congrats. Appreciate for the hard work.
Nobody can do that.
Thanks, Raspberry and Apple.
We hear something.
It's your manager.
Huh? Thank you. For what? You saved our company from bankruptcy, hero. Oh, it came in the news. Yeah, and it was very helpful of you. Listen, you are a very good animator. Oh, you're welcome. And this is why I got the 1 million subscriber play button. And I'm so happy. You shall be. And you can be the manager. Really? Yes, you can, man. You are great, not good. Thank you. Everybody.
Yes?
Guess what? I will animate all of you guys.
Really?
Yes, why not?
God bless you, Melon.
Thank you, your nice Raspberry. I will do it sometime. I am pretty rich. With a gold chair and all of these money. And what should I do with these? I have a lot of valuable things. I should think. Buy stuff? Nah, I have a lot. Give away food and money to poor people? Yeah. First, please subscribe and turn on notifications. Part 2 is coming soon, and watch other of my videos.